So in this video we're going to discuss about the OnePlus 16, which is going to release soon. Starting the display, this mobile is going to come with a 6.8 inches of fluid AMOLED LTPO display, which supports 185 Hz refresh rate in just the gamings. So this mobile is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Armor 2. So when we talk about the 185 Hz, the OnePlus uses something called as hyper gaming engine. So with that they will increase the gaming frames. When we talk about this mobile's processor, this is going to be a humongous processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro. So this is going to be the 2nm based octa-core 5G gaming processor, which supports LPDDR6 RAM type and UFS 5 storage capacity. So this is going to be a killing processor for the mobiles where you want to game. So by the way, this model will be available in mostly 3 variants till the news now, that 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512 and 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage variants. When we talk about the cameras, the news till now says that this mobile will come with the triple cameras at the rear side, a 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, probably this might be a 1-inch sensor, and a 50 megapixels of telephoto periscopic zoom camera, which supports 3.5x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera for the ultra wide angle shots. And for the front, this is going to be a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. With the back we can shoot up to 8K 30 fps, and with the front 4K 60 fps. And when we are going to talk about the biggest improvement in this mobile apart from the processor, that is the battery. This till the news now it says that this mobile might comes with a 9000 milliamps of humongous battery, and it also supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire and 50 watts of wireless, and 15 watts of reverse wireless charge. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile doesn't comes with any stereo 3.5mm jack, but this comes with the stereo speakers, and it also supports Dolby Vision, and it also supports the HDR10+. Probably this mobile might also comes with a 10-bit panel instead of the 8-bit conventional panel. So when we talk about this mobile's physical aspects, like this mobile is a complete metal and glass build. When we talk about the box contents, oh by the way, if you are watching the video till now, subscribing to the channel would be very amazing and encouraging. So when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with all the things like a charger, cable, TPU case, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, and stuff included in the box of the mobile. So when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with the latest features such as Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7 3.5 support, and NFC. It doesn't skips anything except the IR blaster and 3.5mm jack. You can't find those in this mobile. And when we talk about the operating system, this mobile might comes with the ARM Rotation 16 out of the box with the one Oxygen OS 16, which is the latest operating systems. And when we talk about this mobile's other things, like this mobile comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Gen 2 and the USB Type-C. You can also connect the Elgato and STIMI devices for this mobile also. They are saying the OnePlus is also going to increase the vapor chamber to make this mobile and basically the processor and the other things cool, included in the which are in the mobile. So these are all the major things about the mobile. When we talk about this mobile's the colors, this mobile till the news now it might comes in 3 colors mostly. I will list the colors in the description box down below with the other links to my videos of my channel, so you can go and check it out from there. When we talk about this mobile's availability, this mobile might releases by the end of October 2026, this month. That means the next coming 2 months this mobile might releases. When we talk about this mobile's price, this is a bad news for all the people who wants to buy this mobile or any flagship mobiles. The OnePlus used to come at the price range of like 45 to 60,000 rupees, in between that price range, even though so right now due to the chip shortage and the RAM shortage, the prices may not be in our hands. So this mobile cost might start from this mobile price might start from 89,999 rupees, that means almost 90,000 rupees, and it can cross 1 lakh rupees. So yeah, we have to wait and see how much this mobile might cost and what are the features this mobile might pack. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button.